Nothing is ugly. Mom, a beautiful bird is sitting on ugly cactus. A rather surprised child drew his mother's attention to a colorful bird that was sitting on a thorny cactus which he always disliked. Son, don't call it ugly. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it, mother said. Indeed, everything has its own beauty, which is not appreciated by all. To appreciate beauty, one needs a generous heart and an open mind. Nature has not made a single thing that can be called ugly or ill favored. We find something ugly because somewhere in the heart and mind we want to find ugliness in it. Nothing per se is ugly, it is an enormous projection of mind. Why does a truly saintly person finds beauty and goodness even in a so-called hopeless person or situation? Because he wants to see only the good aspect that is in every object and every person. Ugly and beautiful are transient states of mind. What we now find ugly will soon turn beautiful. The metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a colorful butterfly is a metamorphical journey from ugly to beautiful, and the process of metamorphosis of a beautiful face into a wrinkled one is also a journey, though a reverse one. We must develop and expand our sense of appreciation in such a munificent manner that nothing must displease or dissatisfy our senses. Thanks for listening. Ugly and beautiful are transient states of mind. Transient. Transient means lasting for a short period of time. The metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a colorful butterfly is a metamorphical journey from ugly to beautiful. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means a complete change of form as a part of natural development. We must develop and expand our sense of appreciation in such a munificent manner. Munificent. Munificent means extremely generous. Thank you very much.